go.
So hot.
Keep your arms inside the vehicle at all times.
Here we go.
Here we go. Okay. Whoa, we've got to keep an eye out for Mummy Pig. This is great. You gonna sing?
Tree.
Hi, Mummy.
That's spiky.
Hi, Mummy.
See that? That's spiky.
It is, isn't it?
I say, come on, Spiky.
Yeah.
Final lap to go.
Final lap.
I can see the wheels.
I can see the balloon ride. I can see Peppa's house.
I can hear helicopter.
I can see Daddy Pig's car ride. And I can see Pedro Pony's photos. That's where you get your photos from. And Mrs. Rabbit's ice cream parlour. Wow, very cool.
Very cool.
Here we go into the station.
So we'll see till the trains come to a complete stop.
Yeah, wait for it to come to a complete stop. There we go. Push, push, push. Peppa Pig's big balloon ride. Let's go get on the balloon ride. Quickly, quickly. Let's do 2 more baskets, 3 more baskets. It's a walk-on.
Yeah, alright. I'll open the door for you in a second.
Peppa's big balloon ride. Here we go. Here we go. Up, up, up into the sky. Lovely.
Does it go really high?
It goes super high. Wow. Such a lovely sunny day.
It is.
Summer holidays at Peppa Pig World.
Indeed.
I can see Peppa's house. I can see the Grandpa Pig's train ride.
I can see the helicopter.
Yeah.
Is it a train ride here?
How much?
I can see. Is it
What's the barrier?
Grandpa Pig's boat ride from here as well? That's cool. So you can see everything from here. I can see the Windy Castle ride.
These are all seated.
These are seated to keep your arms and legs inside the balloon at all times.
Come to a complete stop. Watch, the barriers are going down. Look.
Please.
Oh, yeah, Zack. Yeah. The Windy Castle ride. That looks good, doesn't it? Windy Tower, Windy Castle ride. Appropriate day for it, isn't it?
Even the birds are struggling.
I think we're all in. This way. Let's spin it. Come on. Oh my God!
I get dizzy.
Zack, do you know it's at the top of the tower? It's Mummy Pig. Mummy Pig's at the top of the tower.
I'm really going to.
Whoa! It's so fast! Oh my God! Oh,
I'm going down.
scary!
I don't like it.
Oh my God! It's so fast! Whoa! It's really good. Oh, Zack! Woohoo! Let's go faster! Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh my life!
Oh, I don't like it.
I'm going down.
And then we're spinning now.
I'm trying to get it stopped. We're trying to get it stopped.
Yeah, please stop it. Then we're spinning. Not for Mummy. I don't like that.